Hi guys. I hope that you like the story about Macy's Thanksgiving Parade and how it started. Your assignment today is linked right below these directions. There's two things that I want you to do. There's a writing page at the bottom of the assignment. So when you open up your assignment, it's going to give you some directions and then it's going to give you a planning page. But then at the bottom, there's a writing assignment. And before you forget about this story, I want you to take a minute and write some things down that you learned about the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Make sure to use capital letters. Make sure to end your sentences with punctuation. And then after your writing, you guys get to design and build your own float. How fun is that? In your assignment, I'm pretty sure that there is a page that you can draw your plan on. You don't need to print and draw it on that particular page. If you have a whiteboard at home or if you have a scrap piece of paper, you can draw your plan on that as well. But this is what we're focusing on for today. So I do want you to spend some time and put some thought and some effort into your animal or creature, into how you're going to build it and into building it too. And I think that I hope that there's some examples in there. If not, I'll post a link to a couple of examples from last year too. So the only thing that I'm asking that you use is one regular balloon, and you can just blow up your balloon. It does not have to have helium in it. Use any materials that you have at home. Don't go buy anything. Just use whatever you have at home. And then how the balloons or the floats in the Macy's Day Parade have the strings on the bottom and the balloon was floating. Well, the balloon is floating because it used helium, what you usually get from the store. Some of you might have helium tanks at home, and if you do, and if you're allowed to use that, and if you want to use that, awesome, go ahead. But I don't have that at home, so I don't expect you to have that at home. So if you have straws, or if you maybe roll up paper, because remember at the beginning of when the parade first started and he made the balloons, they didn't have the strings, they had sticks. So maybe if you have popsicle sticks or straws, be creative. But something to hold your balloon up, okay? Think about your plan. It can be your favorite book character. It can be your favorite movie character. It could be your favorite video game character. It has to be school appropriate though. No scary, no bloody, no gory, no weapons. And then you have all of today to design and build, and then if you need to finish, you also have tomorrow to finish too. But when you're done, I would like you to post a picture of your float on Facebook so that way I can save all the pictures, and kind of like we did with our Halloween costumes, we can make a virtual Thanksgiving Day parade with our floats. So how fun will that be? I think in the directions, I said just email me a video. If you want to email me a video of your float moving, I can try to add that to the video too. But if a picture is easier, that's okay too. And I'll just snag them off of Facebook and save them to my phone and make the video that way. If you have any questions, ask your adult to email me or call me. But have fun with it. And I'm excited to see what fun things you guys create. Don't forget to do your writing first, though, so that way it's fresh in your mind and you don't forget what you learned. Have a good day, guys, and happy creating.